welcome you to Bagdogra.
Hello and welcome to Deccan Herald Dateline. We are covering the Bihar elections, and instead of going directly to Patna as generally every journalist do, we have landed in the far northeast corner of the state, that is Kishanganj district. The closest airport is the Bagdogra airport in North Bengal. Now Bagdogra is part of the Siliguri subdivision. Historically, politically, it is very well known internationally and nationally because of the Naxalbari movement, because Naxalbari is a subdivision in Siliguri. So while we enter Bihar from West Bengal and enter into Kishanganj district and Katihar district, the areas which are contiguous to Bengal, we try to understand the politics of this region, especially the Muslim phenomena. Why somebody like Asaduddin Owaisi of Majlis-e-Ittehadul Muslimin, a party that has its origin in Deccan, in Hyderabad especially, is contesting here. In fact, the last time around, his party won 5 seats in Bengal to the detriment of the RJD and the India bloc. The RJD Congress alliance in Simanchal not just faces a challenge from AIMIM, but other small parties also. For instance, you can see behind me, this is a rally of Prashant Kishore's Jan Swaraj party. The party candidate Shahnawaz will be contesting from here, another Muslim candidate, which may again eat into the vote bank, which both Congress and the RJD are eyeing. So it's a very complex situation the way it involves, because when things go down to the micro level, individual candidates who can wrap up 1,000, 5,000 votes can also be the difference between victory and defeat.
जी हमारे इलाके में अभी तो फ़िलहाल पब्लिक का रुझान है कि आरजेडी ज़्यादा है और उनके बाद बीजेपी भी है और एमआईएम भी, त्रिकोणीय लड़ाई है। उससे ज़्यादा लगता है कि आरजेडी हम लोग का क्षेत्र से ठाकुर विधानसभा 53 से आरजेडी शायद निकलेगा।
और बगल वाली सीट से
बगल वाले ठाकुर मतलब बहादुरगंज एमआईएम का ज़्यादा लहर है शायद।
तो एमआईएम क्यों? एमआईएम तो हैदराबाद की पार्टी, यहाँ कैसे?
जो मुसलमान के बारे में बोलता है, यहाँ के आदमी मुसलमान के बारे में जब बोलता है पार्लियामेंट में, तो उन्हीं को देख के मुसलमानों का भी कोई आदमी होना चाहिए, बोलने के लीडर होना चाहिए।
अच्छा,
इसलिए आदमी सोचता है कि हम लोग एक बार एमआईएम को मौका दें।
Today being Chhath, the markets are relatively empty here. Very few people on the roads in the evening. People would be visiting the temples and the river banks to celebrate the festival. As far as the BJP is concerned in Simanchal region, the party is relatively weak compared to other regions because this area has a high Muslim density population. But the BJP is making an all-out effort, especially with Prime Minister launching BJP's campaign from Purnia last month, inaugurating an airport there. Where from Purnia there will be a direct flight to New Delhi. In fact, it has started operating since last week. BJP has also identified some specific booths in Bihar, which the party considers are relatively weak. And there are around 12,000 such booths. A majority of them are in the Simanchal region. The party is hoping that by putting it in concerted effort in this area, they may be able to improve their position. But I think primarily the party is relying more on a division in the India bloc and the AIMIM vote. If it becomes a triangular contest, if there is a split in the votes between these two parties, then the BJP hopes that some of its candidates may be able to get elected in first past the post system. Now, Kishanganj is part of the Simanchal area of Bihar, which is contiguous to West Bengal. This region has a very high concentration of minority population. As such, it has been a bastion. RJD earlier and later Congress have been winning from these areas very often. But last time around, what happened was the AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi beat his candidates. In fact, out of the 4 Vidhan Sabha constituencies in Kishanganj, 2 seats were won by AIMIM. And in another 2 seats, Asaduddin overseas candidates damaged the prospects of RJD and the Congress party. Not only here, in other seats in Simanchal as well, some Congress leaders say that as far as 27 seats were disturbed by Mr. Owaisi in the last elections, and that probably they say was the difference between the victory and defeat for the Congress party and the RJD, because the difference in vote between the two alliances, NDA and the India bloc, in the last elections was just 12,000 votes in Bihar. And the seats, obviously, the difference in seats or how it translated into seats was much more. But then it was again a very close election, one can say. Congress, for instance, lost in many of these constituencies. It could win only 19 out of 70 seats it contested. So this time around, Congress is trying to put in all its efforts in this region. They have put in resources, they have put in people here. MLAs from other areas, leaders from other areas have been camping in Kishanganj. इस बार इलेक्शन किशनगंज में सीमांचल में कैसा लग रहा है?
देखिए, सीमांचल में जो इस बार देखने को मिल रहा है वो SIR बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा था, और पब्लिक जिस तरह से एक्सटॉर्शन हो रहा है बिहार की जनता के साथ में, एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा है। यहाँ का आदमी इस बात से त्रस्त है कि जैसे ही 15, 16, 17 साल का हो जाता है और उसको बाहर जाकर के कप प्लेट धोने पड़ते हैं, नौकरी करनी पड़ती है, इस बात की उनको अंतर मन से बहुत तकलीफ है। ये बातें ऊपर से कुछ भी करें, जो आप सीमांचल के इलाकों में जाओगे, रूरल एरियाज़ में, तो आपको हर घर का बच्चा कहीं ना कहीं किसी बड़ी स्टेट के अंदर काम करता हुआ मिलेगा। तो ऐसा बड़ा इशू है कि यहाँ आदमी इस बात के लिए तैयार है कि अब ये 20 साल से हम सरकार देख रहे हैं, एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन की कोई बात नहीं है, नौकरी की कोई बात नहीं है, तो कैसे हम इस सरकार को बदलें और बिहार के अंदर रोजगार का डेवलपमेंट हो, इसके लिए काम किए।
But again, it's very crucial, this election, for the Congress party, and ironically also, this election here where AIM and Mr. Owaisi is pitted against Congress and RJD, at the same point in time there is a by-poll in Hyderabad, Jubilee Hills, wherein Mr. Owaisi's party is supporting the Congress. We'll come back to you with more on Bihar elections in the next episode of Deccan Herald Dateline. See you from another constituency tomorrow.